Okay, so this is day 2, and you can see what we have accomplished. We have a nice road going down now. Oh, there is a storm coming. There, I can feel some rain, and it's supposed to be pouring rain. Oh, I hope it doesn't turn everything into mud. Just what I don't want. But here, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, you can hear the rain in the trees. Oh, we better hurry. It's gonna come down quickly. Oh, my phone come. No, suway back, suway back. How's that for easy compared to before? Then it swings over here. Oh, beautiful, look at it. It's like a highway. But that's what you need out here. Look how beautiful the sides are. Oh, I have to get out of his way. Or maybe he's okay. There's my truck. Very different, huh? Well, a little bit of rain doesn't hurt. You get things compacted. And there's the backhoe operator heading out. And this is what it looks like over here now. Holy geez. And this is going to be filled with water. This is going to be a little lake. Look at that. That's incredible. It is too much. It is much more than I ever thought. Okay, bye for now.